This is a mess. I am like dripping sweat. Disgusting. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today we are doing something so incredibly exciting for myself. We are going to make it fancy with hot Cheetos. These are one of my favorite snacks, and I am so excited to try this out for myself and see what Rie has come up with. If you are unfamiliar with Rie, she is a tasty producer at Tasty, which is one of the channels for BuzzFeed, and she takes household common items and she makes it fancy. And one of her episodes, she did Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and so I had to try it because I love Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Also, something that is very, very, very exciting is, if you can see behind me, I have my fridge finally. It has taken so long to get my fridge, but it is finally here. We had to cancel the last order because it said it wasn't gonna come until November, even though we ordered it like I think mid-June. It just kept getting pushed back. So we decided to cancel that one, and we got this one from Best Buy, and it's perfect, small, nice, quiet, can hold all my stuff. Super excited. Now I don't have to hold it in my other fridge, which is all the way over there. So yes, new things are happening. Super excited for this. Well, now it is time to make it fancy. So let's get cooking. If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes, daily life, what am I doing. You guys can see what I do throughout my entire weeks instead of just seeing me here on Wednesdays. This is my second time recording my intro and everything like that. For some reason, I guess my mic is no longer working, so I had to take that away. This is what it sounded like. Today we are going to make it fancy. Not pretty. So I had to re-record it, and unfortunately I already started some of the recipe. It was only the first step, so don't worry, it's okay. I just took 1 cup of honey and 1 cup of Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and I put it on the stove and I let it simmer for 5 minutes, and now I'm just going to let it sit and cool off for 15 minutes. The second step is going to be making the seasoning for my chicken. So Rie has taken the entire rest of the bag, so basically the whole bag minus 1 cup, and she puts it in a food processor and she blends it up until it is very, very fine. So for my mix, I am going to take a 1/4 cup of my ground Cheeto dust, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of paprika, oh my gosh, it's okay. I'll just do like a tiny bit more. 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. I'm right-handed, so let's use my right hand. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Oh no. Oh, so bad. My gosh. Alright, with my chicken, I need to pat it dry and put some seasoning on it. So this chicken is... oh my gosh, I got a lot of chicken. I thought this was like 4 chickens. This is 8 chickens. Holy crap. So that one's dry. And they're still frozen, which isn't good. This chicken is skin on, bone in chicken. That's what Rie used, so I am going to try and do exactly what she used as well. I'm just wondering if I should do all 4 or all 8. Now I want to put 6 tablespoons of this spice mix, and I'm gonna rub it all over it. Make sure we've got every bit kind of in it. Oh my gosh, my hands are gonna be red from this. You know that hot Cheeto does, turning your fingers all red. Ah! My hands are gonna turn red if I don't wipe this off. These are done, and I'm going to put them in the fridge for 2 hours. My next step is to strain my honey and hot Cheeto mix. So, oh my gosh, that is so red. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That is so red. I mean, it makes sense because hot Cheetos leaving your hands all stained for like a day or two after. Like, you can still see it. You know when someone's eating hot Cheetos? You just gotta look at their fingers. That is insane. Can you guys see how red that is? Wow, I was not expecting that. But I think she did say it in her video. So that's funny. It is hot. Next thing I'm going to do is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I need half a cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of my spice mix. I'm mixing it and letting it heat up until the sugar is melted. And while that's happening, I'm gonna cool off. Oh Lord, so hot today. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix 1.5 cups of flour, and I want to sift it. Oh my god, it is so hot in here. I'm leaving the door open and like a fly came in. I don't know where it is. Ah! Okay, so again, 1.5 cups of flour. I need 3/4 cup of my Cheetos, not the spice mix, just the plain Cheetos. I need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we are going to sift it through our sifter into a large bowl. And then half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now I set that aside and I'm going to combine my wet ingredients. Now she says to use half a cup of sour cream. I am using Greek yogurt. It's what I had, and I usually don't eat sour cream, so I didn't want to get, you know, a huge thing of sour cream if I normally eat Greek yogurt. So I need half a cup of sour cream. I need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. These things are always so hard to open. Alright, doing it old school. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that happened. So, some buttermilk. 1.5 cups. And I'm going to whisk them together. I need 4 eggs, and I'm going to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Egg yolks will go in my mix. And I'm going to whisk. I'm going to whisk them together now. Now I'm going to combine my dry ingredients with my wet ones. Still some hot Cheeto dust. Oh my gosh, bright red. Look at that. I am getting out my electric whisker. I'm getting out my electric mixer because I need to whisk my egg whites to stiff peak, and that takes too long by hand. We're gonna do it using this. Oh man. Ah! Okay, so it's ready. Now I need to fold these into my mix. Ah, such a short cord. All right, so we are making waffles. Ah! This dish is a chicken and waffles, and I mean, basically, you guys know this. Once I put it in here, it's a waffle maker. I love waffles, love them. way more than pancakes. Forget pancakes, waffles are my thing. I am also very excited for this because of the waffles. I got it hot already, and all I have to do is spray it. Her waffle maker was, I believe, circular. Mine is a little bit bigger. This is half a cup. I'm gonna do 2 of these, and hopefully it'll do good for one side. Okay, I'm gonna squish it. I hope it turns out fine. Ooh, it's so nerve-wracking. Just be good. Just be good. Smells amazing. Oh my gosh, is it ready? It's getting kind of burnt, so I'm gonna say it's ready. I don't know why the thing didn't come off because, like, look at it. It's kind of getting burnt. Ah! Okay, all 4 together. Hot. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Ooh, I kind of want to try it right now, but I won't, I swear. Alright, so while those are cooking, I am going to heat up my oil because we are also having fried chicken and waffles. Woohoo! Here is my oil. Alright, my waffles are done. Now I am just going to put together the coating for my chicken. So the breading is going to be flour as well as buttermilk mixed with hot sauce. So we need 2 cups of buttermilk. And I'm using some Cholula hot sauce, and I need 2 tablespoons worth. Give it a little mix. And flour. Here is my chicken. What I need to do is I need to go flour, buttermilk, flour, and then in. It is nearly to 325. I'm gonna do this one. Then in the flour again. Oh my gosh, it's like coming off. Oh, it like basically came off. Ah! I hate this part. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. The oil goes everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 more at a time. So 2 at a time. I think it'll be okay. We don't want to overcrowd it, but let's see. Ah, my hand. I don't even know where I'm going to put it for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay. Oh, this is the worst part. What do I do? What do I do? I think I'm going to put a tray down and just put a lot of paper towels so that the oil soaks up. Think that's enough? I don't know. Where are my tongs? Tongs. Oh my gosh, my heat is going down. Go up, 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 up. It is so hard trying to keep the temperature right. I was at 325 and then I put the chicken in and it went down to 300 and then I put the fire back on and now it's at 350 something. Just stay right. Also, it's still very hot in here. It has officially been 11 minutes. I'm checking the internal temperature and it needs to be at 165. Hopefully it's there, because if not, then I have to put these in the oven, and oh my gosh, that's gonna take even longer. Because they're so dark, I don't want to put it back in the oil because then it's just going to get darker. And it's gonna look gross because honestly it already looks kind of gross with how dark it is. So hopefully, oh my god, no! I think it's because the temperature went down so much, so we're gonna try this again. Okay, after much frustration, I am done. I just need to put the oil on and make sure that the oil is hot because Rie said that cold oil will just kind of make it soggy. I have my waffle, I put butter on it. The last thing she did is she added a little bit more of the spice mix on top, and then it didn't show this in the video, but you can tell on her presentation part that she did get the honey and she kind of just Oh, nasty. Oh gosh. I'm gonna put it on a new plate. Oh god. That's ugly. Let's try this again. She did get some honey. Oh my god, I'm so scared. And she did kind of drizzle it on. She also did put some microgreens on top. I do not have those. It's okay, it's fine. I don't need microgreens, which is like basically just a little salad on top. It does add some color to the plate, but honestly, I think we're good. I'm honestly really scared to try it. I know I was really excited for it, but I don't know. I'm kind of scared. All right, ready? 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 What a mess. Fried chicken's always a mess. The chicken is really great. Like, I'm not gonna lie about that. The only thing is like, I don't know where the hot Cheeto is. I know where it is. It was in the marinade, but I guess I can't really taste it. Maybe I had to have it sit longer than 2 hours, but I did have it sit for at least 2.5 hours. So maybe it would be better infused overnight. The honey though, on top of the chicken, when you get that bite with honey in it, oh my god, that is amazing. Like, the honey with a little kick of spice is so good. The sweetness, the spice, it's good. So now I'm gonna try this waffle. And the waffle is supposed to be sweet. I don't even really taste any of the hot Cheeto, which is totally fine. If anything, it just added that pink color to it. The honey again on top of it is so delicious. My frying skills are not great, so this is a mess. I'm just gonna dip some honey on it, put the breading back on, and take a bite. The honey makes it. I've never really liked dry rub marinades. I feel like it doesn't really soak in as well as like a liquid marinade. That's just my opinion. Again, I'm not a professional, so like I have no idea. It's just from experience, that's what I think. So not a lot of flavor or like spice flavor, hot Cheeto flavor through the chicken itself, but definitely the honey with it, the breading with it, like together as a whole, it's really good. This is a mess. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for joining me today on this episode where I try and recreate the Make It Fancy Flaming Hot Cheetos, and I had a blast doing it. I'm just really bad at fried chicken, so it took a while, but I finally got it, got a piece, got it set up. Super good. I hope you guys have time. If you're good at fried chicken, then definitely this will be a lot quicker, but give it a try, and I hope you guys do. Rie, thank you so much for creating this recipe. I enjoyed it very much, and yeah. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!